Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can rewind or restore a folder to a previous status or state in your account on Mega app. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the web version or web application of Mega, navigate to Cloud Drive and navigate to the folder. I will go with the subfolder here, right? So what you want to do here guys in that folder is, let me just return to that folder, and for the given folder click into these three dots here. Select manage, hover the mouse over it, and you will see this option rewind. So as you can see, I have access to this feature. It's in the beta version, so I don't know if you have also access to that version, but assuming you have, you do. Click into this button, and then guys you can select the date to rewind here. Click into that calendar and select the previous date. And that is going to basically restore the state of the folder to or in alignment with the selected date or historical data that has been changed or updated or uploaded up until that date. So you can do that. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.